This photo is from a photo excursion from August 5th, 2009 on Idaho mountain wilderness at approximately 6,000 to 7,000 feet elevation after about 1,000-foot climb. In the first photo you'll see a little light-colored speck at the far right. I will zoom in on that and put arrows to point it out, and then I will zoom in even closer, and then I will do a close-up, and then I will outline it as best as I can make out, including the shadow beneath it. And I'll flip back and forth between these last two photos several times so that you can make it out. We do believe this was a UFO. We went up to this photo excursion. It is a hotspot, a phenomenon, whatever you want to call it, supernormal phenomenon, and we did go up there armed. Luckily, there was no encounter as far as gunplay, which is a good thing, but seeing is believing.